this all turns out. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Are we live? Let's find out. I think we are. And I hope it's all working. Okay. Oops. Oh my gosh, I've done the... Holy... Okay, there we go. Here, F11. Okay, so start. So if you're just tuning in, we're testing out Houndsmith's Battlefield Builder, which is like a... I don't know how to describe it, but I call it like the Sims, but for designing Warhammer and other terrain like that. So I'm just looking through the tutorials, looking to give it a go, and then we will see from that. And this could be a horrible idea as you're watching me struggle to try use something, but it could also be really good. It might actually be. So I've played around with this a bit like 2 months ago, but been doing some other projects, so I'm gonna try have a go at it now. And so this is a quick start thing, this ruins tool. Now look how easy this looks. Like you're just kind of dragging it around, and it's like, look at that, it just generates a ruin and you can just move it around. Now the person doing this is, they look advanced to me, so, but look how simple this is at generating stuff, so it's pretty cool. What is it? Just W and S to like kind of make it go up and down. I think we'll play with this. Advanced tips, a number of useful tips and tricks. Right click at the end of your paths you're currently drawing out somewhere else and start a second. Okay, so we can do that. Hold shift to go into edit mode while hovering over a pillar. Okay, we can change the height. Okay, this looks, oh, we're not, ooh. Right side of the menu, you can choose models. I reckon we just give it a go. How do I see how this goes? Okay, so what do we'll click on this. I'm gonna see, how big is each thing an inch? What did I select? I think I selected with the map. And if someone can help me out with just the audio, because I do not know how loud I am or anything like that. But anyway, okay, grid 44 by 30. Okay, so this is the middle, and it's every grid is an inch. Okay, cool. So every little segment I make is gonna be okay. So that, okay, wow. So you make 2-inch segment. Okay. And then they've got floors, so like this thing is like 1 floor, and then you can go like above to the 2nd floor. So let's just, yeah, let's just try kind of. I might have to go back. Yeah, I like that. Rotate, okay, nice, nice, nice. Pivot, okay, up, up. Ooh, can we get like half of it? Okay, yep. Yeah, like, surely there's like a halfway between this or not. Okay, go down. Oh, it can't go higher than that. Okay, nice. Right click to stop it. So that's kind of like one thing. Now if we try to make a building. Oh wait, what? We can just... Right click. Okay, so let's see. Now how do we generate? Oh, do we just click which walls we want? Give me uno momento. Right. Oh no, Control Z, surely. Bring it back. No! No! Oh my goodness. Okay. Surely there's a way to undo that. Edit. Undo. Edit. Undo. Edit. Oh, okay, that's alright, that's alright. We can bring that back really quickly. Oh, this is something else. Hold on, let me just fix my mic. Probably the worst thing to do touching it, but okay. So we go like the idea of just getting a corner. Just that right in. Okay, done that. Got one more. Yeah. Okay, so there's like one corner of a building. We right click, get rid of it. Okay, cool. And we're gonna go up here. We're gonna up. Can't go any higher, but down and I don't know if that's a great building, but yeah, and then right click, and then that's building that's fallen down. Oh, okay, now do we just click this? Oh my. Let's give me a second. I need to read this. Okay. We do that. To generate the actual runes, hit enter and or that at the bottom right corner. You can still use move reset. Okay. So we do that. And then the magic happens. Oh, this is... Okay, this is going to take a while to generate, but we'll see how it goes. And then we'll get better at it. So if you're just tuning in, I'm just testing out Battle Builder by Townsmith. Is that what they're called? I don't 100% know, but basically this is a Kickstarter coming out start of next month. And the basic goal is it's kind of almost like a drop, I don't know, drag and drop editor, and then you kind of build your walls, and then you hit generate, and it populates what you've created with the random textures over here, and then you can download them as STLs and then print them off. And so I'm gonna try get some done tonight if I can do this all right and start printing them, because I think they're going to be quite big and take a while. But this is taking a lot longer than I thought it would to generate. So there's, I wonder if it's because I'm streaming. But it's like it's maybe, I don't know. It's Google Chrome. Could be, that could be the thing that's in any place. Okay. Do I just click again? Does it already generate? Interesting. Well, if I don't know what to say, but yeah, we're looking to hopefully like make a board. I've bought some MDF from the hardware store. I think I bought too big. I think I actually did buy 44 by 30 inches, and that's huge. I should have gone the 22 by 30. So I might cut it into 2 halves and then build one board. So I think that's a 2 by 3 foot board. And we'll see how this goes. But if this is taking too long, my goodness. This is a great start. What if I click? Can I save it? What? Am I not in the right account? Building 1. Oh, if I did not log into the right account, that's gonna... Surely I've got all access. Sorry, technical difficulties. This is my first time trying to do this. Okay. Why isn't it? Do I have to select a building? Well, oh, so okay, I see what this is. So these are all the things it can populate as, and you can deselect stuff if you're not happy as it's generating it. You can get rid of stuff that I see. Okay. So I wonder if this is just going to do that for a while. Oh, corners. Okay, nice. But we'll see. Very exciting stuff. Oh, story of my life, just watching something generate. But I'm hoping I can print this off, have a little 2 by 3 board, and then maybe just film myself playing myself, because I don't. In some maybe firefight, Grimdark, Future Firefight, or Modulorca's Modulorca. Have my orcs fight each other. But we'll see how this goes. Seriously, why is it? Okay, let's just get rid of this. Can I just go file new? Yeah, whatever. Still, oh my god, my life. Okay. Battlefield. This should not be happening. If you're just tuning in, I'm struggling using this Battlefield builder, which is going to be a Kickstarter, but I think it's because it's, I don't know. It's a web browser. Like, you do it in your web browser, so it's a bit tricky. Okay. Let's just build anything. See how this goes. Yep, nice. A little corner. Nice. Nice, nice. We'll go up one more. Okay, and then we'll click right click, so it's done. And then we're gonna click this tick. And we're just gonna wait for the magic to happen. This is good though, this is good practice for me to use this builder, because I wanna make some like ruins, and I need to like look around and get inspiration from stuff. Man, this is like that thing in Marvel, where the Hulk can't turn into the Hulk, and Iron Man says, "You're embarrassing me in front of the wizards." This program is embarrassing me in front of my viewers. But that's alright. Yeah, if you're just tuning in, this is a upcoming project that I'm working on for a Kickstarter by Townsmith. They've done like a builder for this for fantasy. Now they're doing Battlefield Builder, which is going to be like their kind of grimdark universe builder, so you can do like these kind of cool ruins. But I don't know, am I missing something? Like with this generate, this is like my second time using this program, so it's just, yeah, it's really, I don't know what to say. It's just making me sad that it's not completely working. But the plan is that like on the right is all the different effects it could generate as, and you can deselect ones that you don't want. Looking through this, can I still, yeah, you kind of drag and drop, and then you use W and S to kind of increase and decrease the height, and then you can go to the second floor and then go from there, and then you right click to stop. I don't know what's happening. Am I doing something wrong? I don't think so, but we will see. Oh no, not this guy. Oh, thanks, Dave. Sorry, I'm not very good. This is my first live stream in ages, so I'm just testing this. Can I see? When was that? How far away? I can't tell. This is terrible. Oh no, it's pretty close. Yeah, no, I'm just testing this out. I thought I'd give this program a go and just, yeah, try it on a live stream, which is probably not a great idea, trying to do two things that I haven't really done that well at once. But yeah, we'll see. As if this isn't loading. Okay, we got a few options. What is this? Is this a display? So this captures my whole. Okay, let's just go in the dark. We're gonna close this. We're gonna start again. I did. It just decided to not load. So I don't know. Are you part of this? Do you have access to the Battlefield Builder? Is it okay? Wait a. No, okay, no, fair enough. So it's kind of, I don't know, I'm describing it as like The Sims, I don't know, like Sims, like it's like building like you do in The Sims, but for like grimdark terrain. So we'll see how this all goes and if I can get it to work, but you know. Okay. So I click this. I'm just gonna draw like a simple wall. There we go. I'm gonna click accept current ruins, and now it will generate. There's only 3 blocks to generate. The only other option I can think of is I haven't logged into like the beta testing account. I've just logged onto my personal account, and that's why it's not working. But we'll see what happens. All the symbols. Yeah. Look, if this doesn't work, I might just like, oh, there it is. It worked. Okay, cool. So this is kind of the premise of this. So you do that and you can build your buildings. Okay, we have something. So there's a few more arches that I wanted, but all I had to do was deselect the arches in here. So factory, they got, okay, I see. Cool, okay, well let's go from here. If we imagine the grid, we want a small grid. So this is kind of what we're going for. How do I select? Now I can, oh, whoops. want to do. Okay, let me just open the wiki and do some reading. Yeah, just maybe, yeah, look, I think because it's in a web browser, and so I'm guessing all of it's done through that. Like, if you could actually have the program on your computer, then you probably wouldn't encounter this. But I'm not a programmer, so I can't talk about that as much. Ruins tools, here we go. Advanced tips, right click, energy path, yeah, we did that. Banning, that's the things. Hold shift to go into edit mode while hovering over a pillar, you can do that. Escape, how do we move it? Don't worry, this little GIF is going to show how to move it. Yeah, you can save it to an STL, and it even saves it in parts. Oh, we're sad to move and rotate. Okay, it saves it in parts, and there's also like multiple levels you can do, and it can do like pegging and stuff, or what's it? You can like have different ways you connect the two floors. You can add like little magnet slots, but what I'm going to do is, yeah, I'm gonna try my best to build a little board and then print it out, and we'll see how long my patience lasts. Okay, how do I? Yeah, I really should have. Okay, cool. That gets rid of that. Okay, cool. I really should have given this a test run before I tried. Oh wow. Okay. So these can move on an inch, like each one square, but then when you build stuff, you can only do stuff every second square, which is very interesting. Probably not how I wanted to do it. That's probably big enough, but what was edit mode? Oh my gosh. I just deleted everything. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, so that goes to the end. What I might do is move it one square across once I'm building it. Okay, we're just gonna go big. Probably gonna have to learn also just like what's like optimal stuff. Like what do you want from? Okay, there's that. Now, the shift edit. Nope. So that's good enough. Now we will generate some more ruins and see what happens. Yeah, look, there's probably some like, I don't know, just discovering the logic of how this all works, and then that makes it a lot easier to understand it. But I think it's one of those things where it's, I think once you understand how it all works, it's probably quite simple, but trying to work it out's a little touch and go at the moment. So we'll see. We will see. Yeah, I'm just trying to think, because this is probably, if this is how slow it is, it's probably, yeah, not the best way to do things. I guess, like, if I like to talk a lot, well, yeah, that's the thing though. Yeah, there's basically a lot of possibilities because they can just update this and add extra things, and so there's really almost endless possibilities to the terrain once they just, yeah, change kind of the skins or whatever you want to call it. But what I really should have done is got like a scale drawing and kind of drawn the battlefield I wanted, and then come into here and built that. Which, yeah, in hindsight, that probably would have been the best thing to do. Yeah, no, that's true. No, they are. I think they're Germany from memory. So, yeah. But we'll see. I'm pretty chill. They did. I think it was through the Sourceman Studios guy. They saw that video, but I think they approached like heaps of guys, and like they had a list. Like I think in their like dream situation, because I talked to them, he was like starting off at like the smaller creators and then going up to like practice how to approach people, and then even like Squidmire and stuff like that they were looking to get. But yeah, I don't know if he got that or not, because that means that if he did, they might be releasing a video the start of next month when the Kickstarter goes live, but who knows. I think yeah. I think I'm just gonna, yeah, keep it like that. But I saw your video. It's looking, oh yes. Oh crap, I bumped the mic. It's pretty good. I think you've really, I was gonna leave a comment, but yeah, that's it. I think that's the problem though. Like, I don't know if that is like what they can do. Okay. That's nice. Okay. Sorry, I need to think. Yeah, no, it was good. I think the editing, I was like blown away, and your cinematography, I was just like, my gosh. This is next level. It was definitely worth the wait. But yeah. Now that I've said all this, I should probably still leave a comment on the video. But it turned out good. I think I feel like it was almost that thing. Like, sorry, I'm trying to collect my thoughts. I think the way you painted the walls, it seemed like a very efficient use of paint. Yeah. One of the things where it's just like, I'm trying to like work out like, what is my style? What is like, what kind of ways do I want to do videos? Because I feel like that's really fun, but I also don't know if I can be bothered to spend that much time on my videos. Okay, we should start the next one. Okay, that's there. Okay. Actually, what we do is we just build it and then rotate. I want a nice corner. I think that's right, and then build it and oh wait, oops, generate. Yeah, no, that's heaps. That's definitely right. Yeah, it's kind of what you want to do, and you just kind of swap between the clips. And I think that's one of the things I found, particularly like filming painting videos. It really adds to the effort of like, you've got to paint the stuff, but then while you're doing all that, having to set up like your camera to film it all and get the right angles. Like sometimes it's really annoying to paint and have a camera having good angles, and then I go back over the footage sometimes when I haven't paid attention, and like my mini's out of the shot or it's like half in and stuff like that. And it makes it really tricky to do all that, and you feel like almost like you've wasted all this time because you've tried to film and then you haven't done it properly or anything like that. But that's okay. Okay, this is how long have we been online for? Just trying to work out when can I call it quits. Yeah, that's true. And even if you add the stream's current bitrate is higher than recommended. Okay. Don't know what that means. Even if you just, yeah, did like, I don't know what you call them, but just like slow zooms in or slow zooms out, like just adding some motion to the shots can really make it slightly more interesting than just, yeah, standard shot. Okay, cool. We will put this here. Now, even here now, you can see there's like, oh, I don't know. Okay, now what we're going to try to do is, how do you export file? For saving the building as a feature and on models that you do not have access before. What? Imperial ruins? What? Anyway, I'll have to talk to them about that. I'm gonna have to, I think I might have missed that part. Okay. Okay, what am I gonna do with... Oh, single color. What is, this is crazy. Multicolor. What, who's got this kind of printer? No. Building. Very interesting. Oh, okay, 1 second. Okay, that makes a lot more sense. Okay, now I'm just trying to think, like, I couldn't export. I thought it looks like I've got access to everything. There's no dollar signs. I'm gonna have to check this out. Okay, cool. I might just call it there. And I'm gonna go sort out the technical difficulties because I think I'm just gonna be struggling for the rest of the time. But thank you, Nate, for tuning in, and thank you anyone else who's tuned in or made it this far. If you would watch this back, I don't know how you would make it all the way to the end if you just watch the VOD, but yeah. Congrats to everyone. Hopefully we get the hang of this, and yeah, there might be a second live stream where things run smoother, but there probably won't be. Anyway, I'll catch you